This is a Photoshop document. It stores layers. You can open it for free using photop.com or GIMP if you don't have Adobe Creative Cloud. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's edit the image. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party PSD file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. This PSD file utilizes the standard classification for graphic design file structures. This structure is a known variant of the base Photoshop document format. A PSD file is the native file format for Adobe Photoshop, a widely used professional image editing software. PSD files can contain multiple layers, adjustment layers, masks, and other editing information, allowing for complex image manipulation and non-destructive editing. They are commonly used by graphic designers, photographers, and web developers. PSD files have a complex internal structure that supports a wide range of features, including layers, channels, paths, and text. The file format allows for storing images with a high bit depth and supports various color modes, such as RGB, CMYK, and grayscale. PSD files can be quite large due to the amount of data they can contain. In most cases, PSD files work best with Adobe Photoshop created by Adobe Systems Incorporated. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated program is necessary. Windows previews flattened output only, leaving full editing to design software. Time to see which installed program links the file. Right-click the PSD file and select Open With. Test Adobe Photoshop if you see it. If it is missing, select any other program and keep checking until the file opens. Don't be confused by the error message. Here are the 3 most common technical reasons your PSD file is not opening. First, relaunch Save As, exit Adobe Photoshop, relaunch the program, and use File. Save as to save the file to a different location or name to check for simple save errors. Next, use Recovery Utility. If the file is corrupted, use a dedicated utility like Secure Recovery for Photoshop to attempt to restore layer properties, colors, and image data. Finally, use Alternative Viewer. If on a mobile device or PC without Photoshop, use Autodesk Sketchbook, Paid, or a free PSD viewer to view the layers as content. If PSD compatibility attempts failed across the board, the best attempt at a solution is software designed to bypass strict format requirements. It doesn't work on everything, but it's worth a try. The best way forward is the one-click PSD fix. That means FileMagick, your new go-to universal viewer. Download from filemagick.com. Feel free to leave any follow-up questions you may have below, and then hit the subscribe button for future access. The next video will tackle an even trickier file.